Look, I get it. You see a book title like Million Dollar Weekend and you think, yeah, right, another get-rich-quick scheme. I'm with you, we've all been burned before. But hold on, because this book, written by this Noah Kagan guy, isn't about some magic formula. It's about hustle. It's about taking an idea and shoving it out into the world before you can overthink it. It's about action over perfection. Noah Kagan, for those who don't know, is a big deal in the tech world. He started and sold companies, worked with giants like Facebook, and he's made a boatload of money. But more importantly, he's learned a lot along the way. But his message in this book isn't about being him. It's about tapping into your own potential, whatever that may be. It's about finding your unique path to success. The premise is simple, deceptively so. You can launch a business that generates $1 million in revenue within a single weekend. Sounds crazy, right? Now, before you go running to tell your boss where they can stick it, let's be clear. This isn't about pocketing a cool million in pure profit after 48 hours. It's about the journey and the process. It's about generating $1 million in sales, which is still a monumental achievement. It's about proving to yourself that you can do it. The book doesn't promise overnight riches. It offers a framework, a kick in the pants, and a healthy dose of reality. It's a guide to help you navigate the challenges. It's about ditching the excuses, putting in the work, and seeing what you're truly capable of. It's about taking that first step and not looking back. We all get the same 168 hours in a week. Yet, most of us spend 40 plus of those hours grinding away at jobs we tolerate, leaving our true passions to languish on the sidelines, often forgotten in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Kagan's book is a call to action to reclaim those neglected hours, specifically the 48 hours we collectively call the weekend. The weekend, Kagan argues, is the perfect time to launch a business, to dive into that project you've always dreamed about. You're free from the shackles of your day job, you've hopefully got some energy, and a fresh perspective. And the world is primed for something new, something innovative. It's a time to experiment, to take risks, to push boundaries, and to prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you think. It's about realizing your potential. Now I know what you're thinking. John, I can barely get my laundry done on the weekend, let alone launch a business. And you're right, it takes work, dedication, and a bit of sacrifice. But the beauty of Kagan's approach is that it's all about focused action, about making every moment count. It's about ditching the Netflix binges and the endless scrolling and dedicating a solid 48 hours to making your dream a reality. It's about transforming your weekends into a launch pad for success, turning idle time into productive, fulfilling hours. We've all been there. You're sitting around with friends, someone throws out $1 million idea and everyone gets excited. But then Monday rolls around, and that brilliant idea goes right back into the vault, alongside your dreams of being a rock star or a professional athlete. Kagan's book cuts through the noise and tells you to stop waiting for the perfect idea. The truth is, ideas are a dime a dozen. What separates the dreamers from the doers is execution. Instead of chasing unicorns, Kagan encourages you to focus on solving a problem. What frustrates you? What do you wish existed? What gaps do you see in the market that no one else is addressing? What can you create that would make someone else's life easier, better, or more enjoyable? Think about the impact you can have. Once you've identified a problem worth solving, it's time to validate your idea. Talk to potential users, gather feedback, and refine your concept. Remember, the journey from idea to execution is filled with learning and iteration. Embrace the process. Here's where things get real. Kagan stresses the importance of validating your idea before you invest too much time, money, or emotional energy. This means getting out of your own head and into the real world to see if people actually want what you're selling. He advocates for a simple yet powerful approach, pre-selling. Remember when you were a kid and you'd set up a lemonade stand on a hot day? You weren't waiting for someone to give you permission to start selling, you were putting your product out there and seeing if people would buy it. That's the essence of pre-selling. Section 5. Pre-selling. Show me the money. Pre-selling is the cornerstone of Kagan's $1 million weekend strategy. It's about creating an offer for your product or service and getting people to commit to buying it before it even exists. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's a brilliant way to mitigate risk and validate your idea. By pre-selling, you're essentially proving that there's a market for your product before you invest heavily in development or inventory. Kagan provides a range of practical strategies for pre-selling, from creating a simple landing page to leveraging social media and email marketing. The key is to create a sense of urgency and scarcity, making people feel like they need to act now or risk missing out. Section 6. Launch Day. It's showtime. With your product validated and pre-orders rolling in, it's time to launch your business to the world. Kagan dedicates a significant portion of the book to navigating the launch process, from setting up your website and payment processing to driving traffic and converting visitors into customers. He emphasizes the importance of creating a seamless and enjoyable customer experience from the moment someone lands on your website to the moment they receive their product or service. The launch weekend is all about hustle and maximizing your efforts. Kagan provides a detailed action plan, outlining specific tasks to focus on each day to ensure a successful launch. Section 7. Beyond the Weekend. Building for the long haul. The $1 Million Weekend is just the beginning. Kagan doesn't shy away from the fact that building a successful business takes time, effort, and ongoing dedication. He provides valuable insights into scaling your business, building a loyal customer base, and navigating the inevitable challenges that come with entrepreneurship. The book emphasizes the importance of learning from your mistakes, iterating on your product or service, and constantly seeking ways to improve. Section 8. Real-World Riches, Stories from the Trenches. Throughout the book, Kagan shares inspiring stories of ordinary people who have used his $1 Million Weekend framework to achieve extraordinary results. From stay-at-home moms to college students, these real-life examples demonstrate that anyone, regardless of their background or experience, can launch a successful business with the right mindset and approach. These stories serve as a powerful reminder that success is within reach for anyone willing to put in the work. Section 9. So, can you make $1 million by Monday? I'm not going to sit here and guarantee that reading this book will make you a millionaire. But I will say this: $1 Million Weekend is a refreshing kick in the pants for anyone who's ever dreamed of starting their own business. It's a practical, actionable, and inspiring guide that will challenge you to step outside your comfort zone and take control of your future. So, if you're tired of the rat race and ready to bet on yourself, give this book a read. You might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.